Master, welcome. We've talked about the Nadi Shodhana, or the alternate nostril breathing, intensively in the past. You might want to take a look at those lessons so you can learn this beautiful breathing practice and the underlying components separately. For today, I will be giving you more insights on the energetic components of this method and really what happens inside the body energetically when we perform or practice the Nadi Shodhana. With or without intention, definitely work progressively, but eventually, as you become efficient with this technique, you might start to practice this method with retention already open back. But for today, let me just give you insights on really what happens inside the body, and at the same time, we'll be talking some philosophical or theoretical aspect of our nadis and how this beautiful practice will actually allow us to clear and make the pathways of the energy inside the body more open and sensitive. Right? So inside the body we have like three main channels. We have the right channel, the left channel, and the central canal, the Sukha channel. Before the central canal opens, actually the left and the right channel would have to be sensitive and open wide, because later on, if you want to get deep into the central canal, you can actually access both sides of your energetic channels, so you can draw and direct the energy towards the center, so you can lift that energy up to the central canal using the bandhas, of course. And the Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing, is a really good and powerful way to really clear off those energetic pathways for energy of the blockages, not trapping those points. Alright, so in the alternate nostril breathing, or the Nadi Shodhana, ever wonder why you have to block a nostril? Alright. For example, you're blocking your right nostril with the thumb. Actually, the left side of your body, or your nostril, the one that is open, will pave way for the energy or the prana vayu to enter the body. So it has this drawing inward action. Alright. So the right side now being blocked, energetically inside, the right channel will draw your own energy upwards. So your prana vayu. So the movement or flow of the energy, and if, for example, you're breathing the air or the energy from the outside, it goes in, and the right side draws your own energy out. Thus, when you exhale this side, you release that energy out, and then you draw that energy right side, and the left side goes up. So it forms like this, so like cycles, counterclockwise and clockwise and counterclockwise, as the alternate. So the energy goes like that. You exhale, you inspire, you exhale, you inspire. So it goes like circles inside the body, really. And you might not be able to feel it yet at this stage, but as you go more developed energetically, especially the bandhas, actually the bandhas inside the body, particularly the three primary bandhas actually, will work together in making those coordinated action happen inside the body. So as you inhale through the left, the prana vayu enters the body, and your right side will draw your own energy upwards, and you release it out. And then when you inhale that right side, the prana comes in. Prana vayu draws up using the left side of the body, because you're sucking it, you're creating a suction, and you allow it to exit the body. So what is the significance of that flow? You're actually clearing your energetic pathways of the blockages inside, left and right. And because only breath regulation will be able to perform that function. No asanas could reach that deep inside the body. The asanas will just be efficient and useful when you want to open the body. Definitely have to do that with openers and back bends and some forms of core strengthening, because those are a really good way for you to access or utilize and develop the bandhas. But when it comes to internal cleansing, the breath regulation, particularly the Nadi Shodhana, for me is the most effective. It's the most powerful, simple, easy to learn, but lots and lots of benefits in so many levels and ways. So if you practice Nadi Shodhana, I would encourage you to really do it regularly. All right, minimum of 3 minutes, yeah, go up to 7 minutes after 2 weeks, and so on and so forth, as far as maybe as long as 30 or 31 minutes. Yeah. So work that progressively over a year, yeah, and really, I tell you, yeah, it will not only serve you internally, yeah, but also it will make your energetic pathways open. And then when your energetic pathways become open, you energize the central canal as well. Together with your asanas and the rest of the elements you practice, it will really make room for the energy to really nourish the nervous system itself. Not to really go too deep on energetic absorption, but when you're able to nourish the nervous system, you become more aware of not just the body, not just your internal body as well, but also the many things surrounding your existence outside. We call that integration. As you energize the final plan of your nervous system. Yeah, so that's the Nadi Shodhana. There are more insights and tips there. Yeah, so practice it. Keep practicing and keep learning as well. If you have any questions about this element, let me know. I'm happy to help. See you next time. Namaste.